When the first light touches the waters of Coron, it feels as if the world is whispering a promise of beauty, of strength, and of rebirth. My name is Maria Silvia Pollack, your Mrs. Coron Philippines 2025. And this island, this paradise, has become the place that shaped the woman I am today. I spent most of my adult life surrounded by the towering limestone cliffs of Palawan, where the sea has always been more than water. It has been a mirror showing me who I am and who I am still becoming. Kayangan Lake, proudly known as the cleanest lake in Asia, was where I discovered that clarity isn't only something you see, it's something you feel. Standing at its edge, I realized that women too deserve clarity. Clarity of purpose, clarity of voice, and clarity to choose a life that truly empowers them. Beneath these blue waters rest stories of the past, sunken shipwrecks once forgotten, now alive with new beginnings. And just like these wrecks, women rise. We rebuild. We transform. My advocacy for women empowerment was born from this very truth that every woman, no matter her scars, can rise stronger, brighter, and absolutely unstoppable. In every corner of Coron, whether in the marketplace, in our fishing communities, or on the front lines of tourism, you will find women who carry this island on their shoulders. They are the heartbeat of Coron or Palawan and the reason I stand proud of today. This year, I have the honor of representing the Philippines in the Mrs. National Universe pageant in Thailand. Carrying with me the entire Filipino spirit, strong, compassionate, hopeful, and proud. Palawan showed me that beauty is more than what the eyes can see. It is what transforms you, guides you, and inspires you to become someone better. So join me, walk with me as I bring the pride of Palawan, the soul of Coron, and the heart of the entire Philippines to the global stage. I am Maria Silvia Pollack, your Mrs. Coron Philippines 2025, Mrs. Philippines National Universe, and wherever this journey takes me, I carry Palawan, I carry the Filipina, and I carry you.